And new at noon, we've issued a weather authority alert day for Saturday due to the winter storm that will be coming in. This is not necessarily a snowstorm for all of you, though. This is going to contain a few different types of precipitation, really from sunrise to sunset. Most of the wintry impacts near and to the west of US 29. Now, let's talk about the different types of precipitation. All it takes is a difference of 1 or 2 degrees, a few thousand feet above our heads to change the kind of precipitation you see, right? With it being 33, 34 above the surface, you'd more than likely see some freezing rain. If it's 32 to start out, then you'd see a little bit of snow. So let's go ahead and track this system over the course of the next couple of days. There you see it kind of riding in from the Gulf, high pressure, our cold air source. So here we go towards Saturday morning, and especially around sunrise, you see that wintry weather near into the south of the Roanoke Valley, but it's already starting as a mix in parts of south side, a little bit of snow farther to the north. As it rides farther to the north, there you see the snow in the blue, the mix still in the pink, and yes, even some normal rain happening east of the Roanoke Valley. But here we go toward Saturday night, Sunday morning, and it's a quick mover. It's going to be off toward the northeast and toward New England. So as far as winter weather threats are concerned, it doesn't take me to tell you slick roads are going to be a possibility, if not a likelihood. But if we get 1/4 of an inch of ice in parts of the area, that's when we could see some power outages. Then as far as shoveling snow, you really have to go farther to the north. That's as of the latest round of forecast data coming in. The areas in blue, that's probably where you have the better chance of seeing accumulating snow to the point where you would have to shovel. It's possible in the darker green, but the threat tends to go down the farther south you go in the area on Saturday. So still a little bit of data digging for us to do, so make sure you're staying connected with our forecast updates. We'll be pushing those out on the weather app really as we go through the next several days here in anticipation of that storm system. Roanoke Valley now, nothing to worry about. Sunshine, temperature 47 degrees. The wind is not quite what it was yesterday. We've got a much weaker storm system moving through tonight, and by tomorrow morning, this will give us some snow showers on the ski resort levels, maybe a few scattered bursts of snow showers and flurries in the NRV and Highlands, but for most of us, nothing really to see here. Just some wind, especially heading into tomorrow. That coming in out of the northwest, and you see the gusts about 25 to 35 miles per hour. I should mention that during Saturday's storm, it doesn't look like the wind is going to be that big of a deal. That's something I haven't really mentioned a bunch over the course of the past few days, but felt it was worth mentioning there. For today, upper 40s, lower 50s, highs in the 40s tomorrow and Friday. We'll start out deep in the freezer Friday morning, and then by Saturday, we again see that wintry slop, that wintry mess coming in from south to north. Temperatures eventually making it into the 30s. We'll still see some slick spots Sunday morning, but hey, by Sunday afternoon, we're back in the 40s, so anything frozen that has fallen will start to melt, and then looking at a soaking rain next Tuesday, but we'll kind of take it one storm system at a time.
And I know as we get closer and closer to Saturday, you guys are getting a clearer look at what we're expecting, what's coming, and that weather alert day. Just let everyone know. It's going to be something. It's going to be ugly.
Exactly.
It's just what specifically.
What kind of ugly are we doing?
Exactly.
And the thing is, over the next 2 days, we get what's called high resolution data, which means we can go a little more hour by hour as opposed to just general time frames. So it's a process, as it always is, but we'll keep you posted.
Awesome. Thank you, Chris.
You got it.